Hey, welcome back. Time for a quick unboxing. This product is coming from a gentleman who makes some really neat custom things. And yes, this is a quick update. I'm using a Todd Fisher Sr. custom beautiful knife. He forges his own Damascus everything. Absolute stunner. The design is actually his son Frank Fisher's battle. He is making them currently. I got some tape stuff on the blade there. Love this knife. Use it all the time. But I've had a bunch of people ask in the comments previously, what's the knife? So there's the knife. So you've seen products by this gentleman before, mainly these right here. Yes, this is a gun tray. And let's see what we got this. Oh, he always adds little stuff. I got another little bullet head, which is cool. So I can have a book head bullet ends. Put this guy over on this side. And a heart. You know, that'd make like a neat little chopstick rest or something. We'll figure out something with that guy. So this is something different. I'm going to be using this guy specifically for videos. This is a gun cleaning tray. Man, that logo came out great. Thank you again, sir. Whew, look at that. And they're interchangeable, I believe. Like, yeah, look at that. There's a couple of different versions of it, depending on, you know, if it's single stack, double stack, whatever. Let's just put that in there, see if the burst will drop right on it. Oh, nice. Look at that. So I had him build this specifically for some field strip videos. So that there's spots for everything while doing the videos. You can really get an idea of what parts are in it. And I asked him, I'm like, any chance you can do the logo? And he's like, yeah, no problem. These are great. I gave him my ideas with some of the products he already had, and it took him like a couple hours to completely redesign a tray that he normally prints. So yeah, there you go. It's Guntrays. I'll put the links down below. I believe he's got a site. He's got Facebook, Instagram, all the good stuff. Cool. We'll be getting some more videos, some more use of this pretty soon. Like I said, I'll put the links to his social media pages and contacts and whatnot below. Check them out. But man, great video, great products. I just noticed he's got like a black line all the way around too. That's pretty cool. It shows up in here too. It's a neat little addition. But man, I love the logo. Came out great. I was wondering, I wasn't sure how it would look. It's got a nice little raise to it. Love this thing. No stickers on the bottom this time. Here, I'll show you. Might as well do it on here. Follow us on Instagram, Phantom 3D Prints Guntrays. So if you've got a quick way to scan the QR code, there's a link. And again, I'll put one in the descriptions below. And thanks for stopping by. Look forward to using this in a couple upcoming videos.